Well, a fantastic good morning to you folks. It's your buddy Jamie here from Sharon Travel, and it is a big day today. Oh, hey, look right up here. Good morning, Callie. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning. How you guys doing today? You ready to party? Woo-hoo. Sharon, are we ready to party today?
We are ready.
Woo! We are going to Paradise Beach here in Cozumel, Mexico today. It's going to be off the chisel. That's right, guys. It's going to be a fantastic day. We're in Cozumel, Mexico today. The entire group, and not the entire group, but about 500. Sharon, what's the number? Give me a number, Sharon. Give me a number.
Maybe about 585.
585 people today are going to Paradise Beach, and they are all part of the Vlogger Extravaganza group. It's going to be crazy. We're going to Paradise Beach, one of our favorite places. Sharon, she did an amazing job. She arranged the whole day. She got us set up as a group to go to this place, and it's going to be fantastic. Food, drinks, coconut shrimp, local brews, fantastic cocktails. Matthew, are you excited?
I'm excited. And I do have one question, though.
Yes, sir. What is it?
Do we bring our own playlist?
Oh, man. I don't know if we have our own playlist, but we're still going to work it out, and we're still going to dance. We're going to dance. We're going to dance. We're going to dance all day. It's going to be fabulous. So we got a big day. We're going to go eat a little breakfast right now, and then we're going to hit the streets, the main streets of Cozumel, and head to Paradise Beach Club. It's going to be
off the chisel.
It's going to be off the chisel, guys. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be one of the craziest vlogs you've ever seen coming from Sharon Travel. So stay tuned.
When you're happy and you know it, and you really have to do it. When you're happy and you know, please wash your hands, washy.
Well, here we are. Good morning from Punta Langosta. That's the NCL port here in Cozumel, Mexico. We just got off the ship. We're making our way through the traffic here, and we're going to try to get across the street, grab a taxi, and head over to our destination, which is Paradise Beach. All right, we're at the checkpoint. They're going to check and make sure, probably with dogs, that we're doing the right thing, behaving ourselves, not bringing anything off the ship that we shouldn't. And then we're going to head towards an elevator by that duty-free sign right up there. All right, well, we just came up the escalator by the duty-free shop, and now we're going to make our way around, follow the exit signs, and what we want to do is get out to the street and grab a taxi. It seems easy enough. Let's see if it is. All right, so here we are. We made it down to the street. So we followed the exit signs through the port. It was very simple. We all got out. Now we're down here for the taxis. There's a little bit of a line, but not too much. And we are heading to Paradise Beach. So we're going to grab a taxi right here. And they're going to take us to the promised land. It's going to be a good day. All right, well, we made it into the taxi. We've got our guy Miguel over here. Hi, Miguel.
Hey.
We got us. We got the craze back there. What's going on, everybody?
What's going on?
Woo! Woo-hoo. And we're heading off, so it's pretty early. It's about 9:30 in the morning here in Cozumel. We're gonna get the cocktails flowing. We're gonna get the coconut shrimp cooking. It's gonna be wet. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be out of control. All right, and here we are after about a 15-minute drive from the port. We've made it to Paradise Beach, baby. Here we go. And now we're just gonna get out, check in at the front desk, get off to our favorite spot there by the pool, and have a great day. All right, they even got a nice big sign for us. Welcome, Vlogger Extravaganza Group Cruisers. Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
It's going to be a big deal. It's going to be a big deal. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, we made it here. We got VIP reservation for hashtag number 9 Sharon. All right, we got here. It's fabulous. People are super excited. This is our guy. Are you taking care of us? Are you our guy? Alberto?
Yes, sir.
This is Alberto. He's our guy. He's going to take care of us all day long, baby. It's going to be fabulous. People are shuffling in right now. The crowd's coming in. Everyone's excited. It's going to be a big day. We're going to have a lot of fun here today. They got great signs. Welcome, Vlogger Extravaganza Group Cruisers. That is awesome. And it's time to get the colas flowing, right, Matthew?
Yeah.
Alberto's already got the beers flowing for us. It's going to be a hot day. Woo! It's going to be off the chisel, guys. Paradise Beach Club, we're here. It is filling up. People are ready to have a good time. Everyone here on the Vlogger Extravaganza group cruise. We're going to take a walk through this place shortly. But we got them all here. Look at that. I got Josh over there talking to Mark McClure from the Cruise World. Sharon from Sharonatsea Travel is in the house. We got all of our friends, all of our extended family. It's gonna be an amazing, amazing day. We might check out the taco truck over there. I know we're gonna be in the pool later getting crazy. Tess Almond is in the house. It's gonna get a little crazy later. I got a feeling. Quick update here. We've been here for a little while. We're having a great, great day here at Paradise Beach. The service amazing, the food's great, the people are in the pool having a good time. Let me show you what these folks are up to. Hold on. All right, look at the Shafkins. What's going on, guys? Hello, hello, hello. How we doing, everybody? Give me some love right here. Give me some love. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Okay, okay. Good to see everybody. Uh-oh, this pool's getting filled up. Remember, every hour we're watching you. Every hour you gotta get out and pee. Oh boy, these people are having a good time here in the pool. Loving life. All right, all right, all right. Oh boy, look at that. That's trouble right there. These three are trouble right here. I know these guys. Hello, hello, hello. Look what's going on over here. Let's take a little lap around. Let's show you what's going on here. We got a day bed over here. We're fixing, uh-oh, hello, hello. We got you on the camera. What's up, Oscar? This is one of our guys taking good care of us, Oscar. Wanda, hello, Wanda. You slept in today, girl, or what? Cruising for food in the house. Look at this, midships in the house right here.
Walking at the pool.
I don't know about who these guys are. Look at these two troublemakers.
Yeah, that's nice.
Some guy named Tony B and some guy named Don. Donnie T and Tony B. What's up? What's up? Oh, you got the ceviche.
Yep.
Looking good, boys. Looking good. How we doing? You doing good?
Where'd you get this from?
Someone give me a video paper. Hey, hey, hey. Uh-oh. I got cameras everywhere. Look at this. Look at this. Here's the guys from the place right here from Paradise Beach. We're gonna come in hot. Here we go. You never know who's gonna have you on video, so it's great. We're having a fantastic time here, and I think everybody's having a good afternoon. It is raining, but you know what? That's not gonna dampen our spirits. We're having a great, great time. The pool is hopping. Look at this. Everyone's having a great time here. The rain's not gonna slow us down. We got our boy Josh Hokum is gonna be on the microphone. He's gonna be putting together a little bit of line dance, a little bit of fun stuff for everybody to get involved in the pool. And it's just fabulous. So we are having a great, great time. Excuse me, Mr. Brubaker.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me, Howie Cruz. What's up, everybody? And yeah, there's a lot of bloggers here having a good time. So we situate ourselves over here on the corner, but we made our rounds, we talked to everybody, and it's just great to have all of you here with us. Thank you so much, everyone that took a minute to join us here at Paradise Beach. We thank you from the bottom of our sub-cockles. If you haven't been to Paradise Beach yet, make sure you come check it out. The hospitality is endless, the food is delicious, the drinks are fantastic. It's a great, great time.
The biggest thing,
I want you to let
loose. I want you to hang out, but don't get too crazy, because whatever happens today, ends up on YouTube. Without further ado, you better kick, and kick. Now work it out. Let's go. Come on. You walking to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Say yeah, to the left, to the left, to the left. You better kick.
You guys are amazing, amazing out here. What do you think, Sharon?
That was fun.
Oh my gosh, y'all, look at the raindrop.
We're so excited to have all of you here, and we hope we have a great day, and we're just having fun being there with everyone.
That's right. Y'all give it up for Sharon. Let's see one time. Show your love, show your love. All right.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're not into group cruises, I don't know what to tell you, because this is amazing. Oh boy. This is awesome. Just awesome. Well, it's been an amazing day here at Paradise Beach. The service has been impeccable. The food was delicious. I ate enough coconut shrimp to choke a horse. The people have been great. It's been fantastic hanging out with everybody. They took great care of us. They gave us a tarp on top of our little day bed here to keep us dry. So thank you, Paradise Beach. And I don't know what else to say. It's just been an amazing day. After a downpour of rain earlier, you probably saw it in the videos. The sun is kind of peeking out. It's getting a little warmer. You got Josh Holcomb out there leading the party. Sharon's over here mixing and mingling. Tony and Don over here hanging out. Of course, a big thank you to Dee and Jay from Para DJ. They were here hanging out and having a party, having a good time. It was just fabulous. And all the other bloggers that are with us. So Paradise Beach Club, big success. And until next time, guys, we'll see you back on the ship, and we'll see what else the night has to bring for us. But today was,
I think, the best time we've ever been to Paradise Beach, and it's just been amazing. I don't know, it was a great day. I think everyone had a good time, and that's what's important. That